What is this place?
Shark Tank!
Sharks, oh please. Oh, you think sharks are scary? I'm more freaked out by the 500 million straws we use every day in the US. Yeah, it's a big number to get your head around. Here's what it looks like every second. Sharks, this is 5,700 straws. This is how many straws we use every second in the US.
Plastic straws are going out of style. They're getting banned in cities and countries around the world.
We thought there had to be a better way to design the drinking straw. So we did. This is FinalStraw. FinalStraw is the world's first reusable, collapsible straw. It folds up and fits in a case the size of a car key and is small enough to go on your keychain or in your pocket.
The anti-plastic straw movement is growing rapidly, and we are at the forefront.
Sharks, the mermaids need our help. So, who wants to help us suck responsibly?
We have samples?
We have samples. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye, mermaid.
Very cute.
We've got the
actress.
healthy coral. We've got shark butt gray for you.
Shark butt gray.
Yeah, and then you get the Arctic melt blue, and this is our succulent green.
Succulent greens.
Yep.
So where did you get all these straws from?
A lot of these are
used
found
straws, right?
These are all
Yeah.
used straws.
Wow.
We've got an artist in Malibu who's working on an installation to show the impacts of single-use plastic straws, and she's been collecting them from restaurants.
She turns it
I
to
got it.
art.
She's
yes.
turning this into art.
It's pretty clear that this is a massive movement. You may have all seen. There were some scientists doing research on sea turtles, and they found a turtle, and they noticed something in its nostril and found that it was a full-length straw stuck up this turtle's nose.
Wow.
What's your backgrounds?
So I just finished up my master's at Harvard in environmental management and sustainability. And while I was getting my master's, I was working at Los Alamos National Laboratory in waste minimization.
Oh, yeah, some just bobo that fell off a truck. You know what you're doing.
What's your background?
My background is I was working on the straw. We had a mutual friend. This mutual friend said, hey, you need to call my friend Emma because she's the straw girl. She hates plastic straws. So I called Emma up and learned about her background and that she had given a TEDx talk on plastic straws.
How much does this cost to make?
$5.
What do you sell it for?
20.
20.
20?
Oh.
Too expensive.
It's expensive.
You came in asking for $625,000 for 5%. Now, typically, no one comes in with that kind of ask unless they have some kind of sales to back that up.
We've definitely sold a few so far. So we launched this company 2 months ago on Kickstarter. We ran our Kickstarter for 30 days and raised $1.89 million.
So have you
on
shipped
Kickstarter.
anything?
So the Kickstarter will fulfill in November.
So it's a patented product. I did pull it up. This was issued as a design patent. I will show that off a little bit. David, go ahead and give us your take as I pull it up.
Yeah, so straws. There are solutions to the plastic straw problem, and it really is a problem. I remember many, many, many years ago going to a zoo with my children. Straws weren't allowed at all.
Wow.
So they talked about the straw problem being sort of an industrial problem. It's like it's the only thing you're going to see at McDonald's. It's the only thing you're going to see in the cafeteria. I don't really think that that's true. And I don't know when this was filmed, but there are plenty of places where that's been taken out of the equation, which results in things like paper straws, which are great for 2 sips and then they're gone, or metal straws that you like this that you have to clean. So I'm not really sure. In a sort of an industrial kind of sense, like cafeterias or restaurants or things like that, it's probably not going to be a foldable metal straw. Probably not a metal straw at all, but probably more like a paper straw. There are some materials that just biodegrade, right? If you compost, you've got these biodegradable bags that you can put those composting materials in. You could maybe make something thicker and make it bigger, but it's still something to just like pull out of a box, use, and toss. But it's not plastic. It's going to degrade fast. You could even put it in your composting bin. So I don't know. I think there might be other options, but it sure was a cool little thing.